everyone, welcome back to this channel. And today's episode, we are diving into something super interesting, which is nested if statements in Python. So far, we have looked at simple if else and even if elif else structures. But what if you need to make a decision inside another decision? That's when nested if statements come in. It's basically putting one if statement inside another. Think of it like Russian dolls, like you open one and there's another inside. Same logic, one inside the other. So let me show you the syntax real quick. So here's the syntax. If condition is true, then this block, then if condition, and then this else condition and this else condition. I hope you're getting it. It looks pretty familiar, right? Like it's just if else blocks, but one inside the other. Now let's understand this with an example. So here's a small Python program, but I would not suggest you to just look into it. I want you to code with me so that you can understand when you do it practically. So first, let's just give a number equal to 5. And if number greater than or equal to 0, okay, now you have to check whether the number is 0 or not. So if number equal to 0, then you just have to print the number is 0. Else print the number is positive. And then else, and like it is related to this if, print the number is negative. Okay. So what's going on here? First, the outer if checks, means this one. It checks whether the number is greater than or equal to 0 or not. If this is true, then we move into the inner if, which checks number is exactly 0 or not. If it's not 0, then it will just say the number is positive. But if this entire condition is false, then simply it will go to the else block, and this is where it will print the number is negative. So we skip this entire inner part once if this condition is false. So then it will just print the number is negative. So in our case, the number is 5. So if 5 is greater than or equal to 0, then it will check. It's true. Then it will check whether 5 is equal to 0 or not. No, it is not 0. Then it will go to the else part. Then it will print the number is positive. You can run this and you can check it directly. So the number is positive. So nested if statements are super helpful when you want to perform layered decision making. Like just make sure that you're following the indentation, because that's how Python knows which code belongs where. See the indentation of outer if else and the indentation of inner if else. That's pretty simple. Nested if is nothing but the if statement one inside the another. That's the only difference. If you understood what is if else and what is if elif and else, like if you have completed those two videos, then you will understand the importance of nested if as well. It's just a simple one, but very powerful once you get the hang of it. In the next video, we will dive into some more cool exercises to practice everything, whatever we have learned, especially with these if else statements. So make sure to try out this code on your own and let me know in the comments if you want me to review your solution or help debug it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an episode. See you in the next one.